Well, hey there, and welcome to Sunset Lane. This house is about 1,682 square feet. It's a 3-2, has a double car garage. It is one story. It's actually one of my favorite designs. There's a couple different iterations of it, primarily around redesigns with the kitchen. This one actually can put in a home bar in there, but we'll talk about that in just a minute. Front of the house has a great curb appeal, beautiful front porch. Actually, before we go inside, you're going to walk around. Just going to give you a little bit better view of that. Home has two fireplaces, one in the living room and then one in the master bedroom. It's a really beautiful design, perfect for somebody who loves gardening. Again, going into ghost mode. This is a rendering, so doors don't open if you're just joining us. Home walks into a large, decently sized, at least, living room. Television probably over the fireplace there. To the left, you'll have an eating kitchen. You've got a very large space. You can probably put about a 2 foot island in the middle, have about 3 feet of clearance on both sides. So it is a good size if you wanted a galley, which is what I went for here. Or you can have a little bit of an island if you wanted that. Pretty backsplash around the sink there if you want to do something like that. This is just standard tile for the sake of the rendering. Coming through the kitchen, you come to a decent size, not too big, but just kind of nice covered area. Out here, back of the home, real quick, looks like this. Very long, some good windows. Going back inside here, we'll continue through the house. Off of the breakfast nook, you'll have your primary bedroom, master suite, nice big window to the front of the house for natural light. This one has pretty decent closet space here. Not huge, but decent. You'll have a good sized fireplace. Coming into the master bathroom, you'll have your vanity sinks right here when you walk in. There's a double vanity. Um, Small corner shower, clawfoot tub, and then a private closet back here for the toilet. That window over the bathtub does overlook the backyard, so you'll have some privacy there. You can do it frosted if you wanted, put up some blinds, whatever. Kind of coming through back to the main house. Off the living room, then we have our two other bedrooms. To the left here, you'll have the guest bathroom. Nice size shower, sink and toilet. To the right, you'll have your laundry room, and then that goes into the garage there. And then here you'll have two more or less mirrored bedrooms, each of them having just a decent bifold closet there. And we'll go on to the second one here. It's great for growing families with kids. These are kind of offset off that main living space, so it gives them just a little bit of a sound buffer, which is a good thing if you're entertaining and somebody wants to take a nap, or like I said, you have kids, things like that. Quick call out: the beds in here are twin beds. Excuse me, they are queen size beds. So that gives you an idea, just kind of around spacing. Again, in your master, you'll have pretty decent space for a queen or a king, something like that, if you would decide to do that. Double doors there give you some privacy if you wanted to close that off. So this is Sunset Lane. Again, it's about 1682. Beautiful curb appeal. One of my favorite homes, especially with the double fireplaces. And again, these are drawn wood burning. You could definitely do like an